My name's Simon Saggers and I'm from South Cambs Conservation Consultants and the Mill River Nature Reserve Wildlife Committee. This is the Mill River Nature Reserve, which is 75 acres in South Cambridgeshire, and the Mill River behind me is the spine of our nature reserve. And what we've been attempting to do is restore our chalk stream to something like it would have been. And this is a fantastic example that the Pebble Fund have helped us with. We have a section here which demonstrates the over-widened, over-deepened, dredged channel that we inherited. And behind me, with the help of the Pebble Fund, we've narrowed the channel, we've reintroduced the sinuosity in the river, and we've put a huge amount of gravel back in the bed of the river to try and create the habitat that was here, that supported things like the brown trout. Fantastically, last year we managed to get brown trout back into the reserve for the first time. So the Pebble Fund is actually doing fantastic practical work to really bring back species like the brown trout to South Cambridgeshire.